Today's the day. Are you finally ready to start working out again? And start exercising, getting that body back into shape? Well, I've got 6 exercises that'll shock your body and prep it to begin your workout routines. Hey, it's Coach Joe from StayFitAnywhere, where I help you get back into shape no matter where you want to exercise. So if you're finally ready to get your body back into shape, these exercises would really help kind of recruit those lean muscle fibers, hit that neuromuscular system to really fire up the right muscles to contract and work. This is a variation of the Sumo Squat, where we're mainly focusing on your outer glute and your outer thigh, so into your abductors. What you want to do is bring the knee up to about hip height and then rotate as wide as you can. Come down into a squat and then bring your leg back to center. This exercise I'm calling the Outstep Reach. So we're really going to hit the inner thigh and your whole entire core, including your chest. So to begin, start off in a plank position. Bring one leg forward so it touches the side of your arm. Make sure your heel is firmly planted on the ground and extend and rotate your arm up so you're reaching nice and high. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you got to hit that subscribe button, push that bell notification so you'll know when I upload my next video. And always leave me a comment down below, because I'd love to hear from you how these exercises are working out. This exercise I'm calling the push-up shift. You come down into a push-up position and you're going to be shifting side to side, really activating your core and your chest muscles. This exercise I'm calling the Tabletop Kick. So you set yourself up like a tabletop, have your hands and your feet firmly planted on the ground and your hips are nice and high. You'll be alternating leg kicks, but you want to maintain focus with your butt not dropping and keeping your hips nice and level. This exercise is a stationary inchworm. So you start by in standing position, coming down into a deep squat, planting your hands on the ground and moving your hands forward and then going back into starting position. And you'll be doing this again, but the next time you'll be extending your legs going back behind you instead of your arms going forward. Here's a view from the side to get a better idea of what the stationary inchworm is. So you'll be alternating between small steps with your hands forward and small steps with your feet going backwards. This exercise is a hip shift to a one leg balance. So you want to start off by coming down into your squat stance and you're going to be loading up one side, shifting from side to side and then pushing off and balancing on one leg. So as you can see, every third shift I'm loading up that one side and pushing off and getting up into a one leg balance. There you go, 6 exercises you can do easily in the comforts of your own home, outdoors, or at the gym. So save this video, share it with a buddy, work together, let's get you back in shape, let's get you stronger and leaner. Hit that thumbs up button if you've liked this video, and I'll leave you a few more to make sure you're on the right track.